Hi NMT business owners, I am Sheikh Shajib and I am helping non-emergency medical transportation business grow by generating consistent private leads through my Google Ads and local SEO service. So today I will show you how the procedure I need to prepare for doing on-page SEO optimization when I take the local SEO project from a NMT business owner. So what are the steps I would follow for doing on-page SEO and what the research I did before and make a sheet for doing on-page SEO. So today I will show my one case study that I am doing their business on-page SEO optimization and I have already make a goal sheet and I will show you right now. Okay, so uh, this is the Google sheet you are seeing right now. So this is the number one page, and in this page, sorry, so you this is the first page of this Google sheet. Okay, so here you are seeing that this is the page business niche details. So here I submit all the information of this NMT business. So this is for a specific NMT business, but for the NDA agreement I am avoiding the business name, but this is the NMT Broward and Miami-Dade County based NMT business. Okay, so here first I put it the website name of the NMT business and the business niche, non-emergency medical transportation, business goals. So they are obviously they are looking for private non-emergency medical transportation needs and the core service they are providing. So they are right now providing three service of wheelchair RV, ambulatory service and the stretcher transportation service. Also their target customers are elderly patients and the family decision makers. So also their target location is Broward and Miami-Dade County, Florida. So this is the first phase. I put it all the information about the business details, and if I go to the second page, so you are seeing the wheelchair service based all the keywords I put it here. So first table you are seeing the wheelchair service core keywords. So this table I put it all the high buying intent keywords for when someone looking for wheelchair stretcher transport and they when the search on the Google search console. So this is the all the potential keywords I put it there. You are saying wheelchair transportation service here there. So someone when looking for booking a ride, they will search on the Google. So I also cover all the core keywords in this table. And if I scroll down here, you can see the wheelchair service geo based keywords. This means the location based keywords. So example, you are in the Broward, so you will definitely search wheelchair transportation Broward County. You will not search that the other state. So when someone search with the specific geo based keywords, so I am also covering these keywords in my content. Okay, if I scroll down, you are also seeing this table wheelchair service AEO question keywords. So there I keep the all the AEO based that answer engine optimization based keywords on my table. We just not targeting the high buying intent keyword. So we are also target the AEO based keyword when someone don't need the service right now, but they are exploring to learn how much does wheelchair transportation cost in the Miami, or the how I can book a ride in this specific location. So we are not just targeting the high buying intent keyword, we are also targeting geo based keyword, AEO based keyword. So when someone says AEO based keyword like how much does a wheelchair transportation cost in Miami, and we are putting this all kind of keywords in our blog post content. So someone search this keyword on Google or the ChatGPT. So Google will feature our website by giving the right content in front of them. So yet they are not ready to book, but they are taking the hello content that we are provided. So definitely we are gaining fast of the audience. So definitely when in the future they will need the service, so definitely already they avoid yeah, this is the NMT business, and they are providing this kind of service. So they are not just selling their service, they are also giving the value with audience. So definitely this is a professional business, and by giving the value of free, in the future we will take the service, we will provide the service, and we will get the leads from there organically. So this is the method when you are giving someone free and information, because someone exploring to learn about things, and we have put it all the information on our audience mind, that all the question on your mind. So think I am a audience of your business. So first we need to think what are the question I have on your mind before I take or choose a professional NMT providers. So we need to put all the information on our service-based content, on our blog post. Then we can put it on the content, and when someone searches this kind of EO-based question in the ChatGPT or the other LLM models like Gemini or the Copilot, also the Google Search Console. So right now, Google has a AI overview optimization. When someone searches this kind of EO-based question, they are putting the information shortly brief on their in front, but they are also linking the website they are providing the information. So when we cover all the information on our blog post, they will feature our information with our website. So there the opportunity to air our website with the audience and gaining the trust. So definitely it will help us to future get organic leads from the customers, and this is the strategy I am following. And if I go to the other page, the same thing I am doing for register service core keywords. I'm putting all the high buying intent keywords for register service, like register transportation service near me, and all the geo keywords. Also I have put it the all the AEO question keywords, same the wheelchair, and the another service keywords, the ambulatory service core keywords. And if I scroll down in the geo keywords, and there is the AEO keywords. So I make all the keywords for specific service, that core service, that geo based keywords, AEO based keywords. And after that you can see the next page, service based content. So here I put it service based content for each service we are providing. There you can see the wheelchair transport. I If I open the link, sorry, give me time. Okay, so if I open the link, you will see the content of the wheelchair transportation service page. So I have covered all the information here for the service based content. And if we go to the stressor, so there will be, you can see the same thing for stressor service based content. I put it all the content for each every answer of the question of my audience. And then if I go to the next page, there you can see all service blog post topic. So I make the topic that will be done, the blog post content, the topic, all the topic for each specific. So I take the 5 topic for each specific service for writing the blog post content. And if you put it that 3 to 4 blog posts for each service page, you will support them, then your blog post also rank and your service page also rank. So when your service page and blog post also rank, so when someone searches on Google the high buying intent keywords, the service page will rank, and when they will search AO-based keywords, your blog post page will rank on from them. And that is the way you will get the leads. And in this page I make the blog post content for a specific topic. So here you can see how much does wheelchair transportation cost in Burundi. So this is my blog post content topic. So here I put it all the information in the audience mind, types, wheelchair transportation in availability and wheelchair cost. Here you can see I put it all the information they need. So that local SEO, on page SEO, not just forcing Google, is helping Google to know about your business, to about know your audience pain point. So someone, your audience will search high buying intent keywords, your services will rank in front of them. And when they will search like EO based, like how I can book a ride, how much the cost in my area. So all the content you need to put on your blog post content, and also the service based content. So this is the thing, when you do it properly, giving the answer of the audience freely. So you already gain the trust of the audience by giving the free content. So when they need, or their colleagues, their relatives, they will suggest your website. Yeah, this is the business that is not desperately selling their service, they are also giving the value of the audience. So definitely they are professional providers. So that way, Google, not only Google, the LLM models like ChatGPT and the Gemini also feature our website. In 2026, if you are not focused on the marketing in the Google, and not only the Google, the LLM models, so you will definitely missing the opportunity for scaling. So if you are someone who are looking to rank your website, not only just to Google, but also all LLM models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot, so I would like to help you to grow your NMT business. So thank you so much for being with me. Have a good day.